Is that good, guys?
That was it. I hid under the tree because I knew it was coming back down.
Bubba.
Sally even come out for that one.
Can you get me on there a bit?
Sally even come out for
No,
that
he's
one.
not more.
Did you like the rocket?
It was loud.
I was scared when it was going to land.
Was
So
ya?
was I, that's why I hid under the tree.
Didn't land on us.
I knew it would come down.